Hi everyone, let's start student class with chapter Heron's formula of class 9 exercise 12.1. Heron's formula. Heron is a famous mathematician. He was born in about 10 AD, positively in Alexandria in Egypt. He is an encyclopedic writer in applied mathematics. Derived the famous formula for finding the area of a scalene triangle in terms of the length of its three sides. This formula here, area of triangle is Heron's formula under root s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. S is semi-perimeter, that is a is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. Perimeter is a plus b plus c, sum of three sides, and semi-perimeter is half of perimeter. Okay, a, b, c are the three sides. Now, review of some important formula. I have given here area of right angle triangle. It is scalene triangle's area. Right angle triangle, half base into height. Area of equilateral triangle, root 3 upon 4 into side square. Area of scalene triangle, already I have given this one. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Area of square is a square, means side square. And perimeter of triangle, we know the sum of three sides. So that is given. And perimeter of rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of the square is 4 into side. Now, exercise 12.1, first question. Traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? Now first, as per the condition, side is A. The Heron's formula under root s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So how much is A? S is equal 3 into A upon 2, half of perimeter. So and all three sides, as it is equilateral triangle A, all three sides are A. Now area is s minus 1, s minus a, s minus a, s minus a, because all three sides are equal. Now this is a upon 2, it is a upon 2, it is a upon 2. It is also 3 into a upon 2. So when it will come out from square root, it will be a 2 times, a upon 2, 2 times will come out of 4 times, and under root 3, it is root 3 upon 4 a square. Now if the perimeter is 180 centimeter, okay, then semi perimeter is side is a is equal to 60. Now substitute the value of a here. It is 900 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, it is the perimeter, it is the area. Now next is the triangular wall of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 120 meter, 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? This is the highway and two sides it is the overbridge. Two sides it is triangular field, triangular wall, not field. Three sides measurement has given. Now area of this triangle is, first you have to find out the semi perimeter. Substitute the value here and it is 132 meter. A, B, C I have written. Now write the formula. Area of triangular wall is S into S minus 1, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now substitute the value A, B, C and S. It is coming this one the value. Okay. Now if you calculate it, 132, 10, 12 and 110. This calculation I want to show you how to take out from the square root. No need to multiply all these. You will multiply in this form. You will factorize in this form from out of two factors. You will take out one factor, that is by square root you can find out. So it is 132 is 11 into 12, 10 as it is, 12 as it is 11 into 10. 2 times 11 you have to take one time. 2 times 12 you have to take one time 12. 2 times 10 you have to take one time. So it is 1320 meters square. Now rent cost has given rupees 5000 per meter square per year. Year you have to change into month, so divided by 12. So 3 months, for 3 months it is 3 into meter square, that is 1320 upon into 5000 upon 12. Now you've calculated, it is 3, 4, 5 lakhs 16 lakh 50,000. Okay. There is a site of a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park clean and keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the wall are 15 meter and 6 meter, find the area of the painted in color. 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. Okay. 11 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. This is the park. We have to find out the area of this park. Now it is, see here, first you have to find out the semi perimeter. It is 16 meter. Now substitute the value of 3 sides and semi perimeter. It is coming 4 into 5 into root 2. Root 2 have no pair, so it is keeping under root 2. So it is 20 root 2 meter square. So area painted in color is 20 root 2 meter square. Next question, find the area of the triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Two sides has given, third side has not given. We have to find that. So third side is x plus x, then perimeter is x plus 10 plus 18 is equal to 42, x is equal to 14 centimeter. Now find out semi perimeter, 42 upon 2. A, B, C we have. Substitute the value. It is 21 root 11 centimeter square. Area of triangle. Next question number 5. Sides of triangle are in the ratio of 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. We know when in ratio the sides as given, for individual ratio multiply by a constant. So A is equal to 12x, B is equal to 17x, C is equal to 25x. Now S has given, perimeter has given 540 centimeter. Perimeter is this, semi perimeter is 270 upon 2, it is 270 centimeter. Now substitute again. From here you have to find out x is 10. A is equal to 12 into 10, B 17 into 10, C 25 into 10. This value we have got, these 3 values. Okay. Now substitute these values. Here you have to do 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So this 10th and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 10. 1 time 4 times I have written. 1 time I break it 5 into 2. Next 3 5s are 15. 27, 3 into 3 into 3 and 15 is 3 into 5. 20 is 10 into 2. All the factors I have written in this form. Now it is 10 square, 5 square, 2 times 5. Okay, 5 square, 3 square, 3 square and 2 square. I have taken as 2 times, it is 1 time. From here 1 5, from here 1 time 3 square, it is from 2 time 1 time, it is 900 centimeter square. Now sixth question, it is the last question. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal sides is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Again, two sides has given. Third side you take as x, and it is the isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. So x plus 12 is equal 30. X we have got 6 centimeter. And perimeter has given perimeter 30 centimeter. Its half is semi-perimeter 15 centimeter. Now substitute the values of S, A, B, C, and it is coming 9 root 15. So area of triangle is 9 root 15 centimeter square. Okay, thank you very much.